Hi everyone, welcome back to the CADfx channel. In this video, I'll show you another simple and effective way to find the area and perimeter in AutoCAD. Let's take a look. Normally, we use the area command or check the properties panel to get this information. However, when dealing with a large number of rooms or areas, these methods can become time-consuming and sometimes even inaccurate. So, what can we do to easily find the area and length? In AutoCAD, we can use fields to find these two parameters quickly and accurately. Let me show you how to do it. With this simple layout, I've already created two rooms of the same size to demonstrate how to find the area and length. First, I've already found the area and length of this room. Just to show you how it works, I use the rect command to draw rectangles, but you can also use the regular rectangle tool if you prefer. Next, I'm going to add a field to our object. To do this, go to the Insert tab and click on Field. Or, you can also use the Field command to insert a field. From the Field dialog box, select Objects from the Field category, then choose Object under Field Names. Next, select the object in the drawing. In this case, I'm selecting the rectangle I already created. After selecting the object, choose Area from the property list. I kept the format as decimal, but you can choose the format based on your requirement. You can also set the precision according to your needs. Then, click the Additional Format button. I set the conversion factor to 0.000001 because I want to convert the area to square meters. In the additional text section, I typed area equals as the prefix and m squared as the suffix. I left the other settings as they are. Then click OK and place the text inside the rectangle. I changed the text size to make it more visible. Next, I repeated the field command to add another text field for the length. Repeat the same steps we did earlier, up to selecting the property. This time, choose the length property. I selected decimal for the format, kept the current precision, and clicked Additional Format to add custom text. You can customize the format based on your requirement. In the Additional Format window, I entered 0.001 as the conversion factor to convert the unit to meters. For the prefix, I typed length equals, and for the suffix, I typed m. I left the other settings as they are, then pressed OK. Place the text inside the rectangle. I'll change the text size to match the earlier one. Now we're almost finished with our area and length setup objects. I changed the color of the text to make it easier to see. Let's check how to find the area and length using this object. First, I'll copy these three items of the rectangle and the two text fields and place them inside room 1 to calculate its area and length. Then, I'll adjust the rectangle's vertices to match the edges of the room. Finally, type regen command to regenerate the drawing. In this layout, I've prepared rooms of the same size and already calculated the area and length or perimeter to demonstrate how our new area finding method works. As you can see, the values we just found match perfectly with the earlier figures. Let's check it one more time with another room. I'll follow the same steps as before, and as you can see, it works perfectly. We can use this method for any shape of object. Now, I'll show you another example to find the area and length using the same steps. I'll change the color of this polyline for better visibility. Then, I'll copy our field objects, adjust their shape to match the new object, and repeat the same steps as before, including regenerating the drawing. As you can see, it works perfectly. This means you can easily copy these objects as many times as needed to different areas without retyping, manually finding areas, or using multiple commands. You can even save this setup as a drawing and reuse it in other projects to quickly find areas and lengths. Alright. Now you should be able to create your own area and length finder in AutoCAD easily, without any trouble. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this method, feel free to leave a comment below. See you soon with another quick tip, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay connected with the CADfx channel.